You travel a lot with your DJI Neo too. It's good to be able to charge your batteries out on the road and charge them as fast as possible. There's a lot of car chargers out there that'll charge your batteries, but they won't do it fast as you can get with like a 100 watt plus charger. There's a lot of them out there that claim they can charge your batteries at least 65 watts or more. And that's what you'll need to be able to charge all three batteries at the same time. So I'm going to test out this Ugreen charger. It's rated at 130 watts. I'll put the links below to it here, but you need a charger that's at least probably around 100 watts is what they claim, because if you buy a 65 watt charger, I found that it won't charge at the full 65 watts needed to be able to charge all three of these batteries at the same time. So I'm going to take this out to the car and test it. But first, with these, if you have a charger that's only capable of 30 watts or less, it'll only charge one battery at a time. So it'll charge it fully and then start the next one and so on. If you've got a charger between 30 watts and then 45 watts, it'll charge two at a time. So it'll charge the lower one up to the same level as the second one, and then it'll start charging both at the same time. But if you've got something that'll charge a true 65 watts or more, it'll actually charge all three at the same time. So it'll bring one up to the level, whatever the highest charge one is, it'll charge them all to they get to the same level, and then it'll start charging all three at the same time. And it'll pull a full 65 watts. And I'm going to test this with this charger in the car and make sure it'll do what it's supposed to. You have to be careful with some of these chargers, because a lot of them are 175 watt or so, and they can actually, if you charge this battery pack and then you charge, like say, your phone at the same time, that's right on the level for the most amperage that your battery circuit can take. So it'll blow a fuse a lot of times if you try to charge this and say a big phone or some other battery pack at the same time. It'll blow a fuse. So you want to be careful. If you're using this, you probably will only want to use it through your car charger, and that's it at one time until this gets charged. So I'm going to take it out to the car and see how well this does. Okay, I've got the car charger plugged in. I have a 100 watt capable cord plugged into it. I started it up and start the charger, and you can see how much wattage is pulling. It started out around 20 watts and is gradually working its way up. So you can see that it's started charging each battery, and now it's pulling up to the full 65 watts it's capable of. So you can see here that all three batteries are charging at the same time. So that's what you want to look for. Be able to get a car charger that'll power this strong enough, and this one's rated at 100 watts. We'll get it up to the true 65 watts needed to be able to charge all three batteries as fast as they can. Now, for normal everyday charging, you probably don't want to do this. You don't want to have it charging at that fast of a rate. The slower you charge a battery, usually the longer the batteries will last. They don't heat up as much, and you don't have as many issues down the road, and you'll get more charges out of them. But when you're out on the road and need them charged up quick to be able to film something else, you want to be able to get that 65 watt quick charge and get those batteries pumped up and ready to go. So this charger works great. I put the links below to it. This helps you out at all. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.